So now we have the DEX machine installed, the car reader's working, it's open, it's closed, we know how to do everything, on switch, off switch, great, okay? Every machine, when shipped, comes with these little pull tabs here, and I suggest you hang on to them in case you do. Sometimes they come on both sides, sometimes on one side. This keeps the trays in, okay? Once a machine is set, you want to take them out and leave them out, okay? I always recommend taking them out and leaving them in the bottom of the machine, so you always have what you need. And they're in there tightly because it prevents the rows from coming out during shipping, okay? So give it a nice firm little tug, a wheel, get them out. And I like to throw things in the bottom of the machine so everything stays together, okay? Once you are in the machine, okay, slight lift and pull. Pulls the tray out, and then it angles downward, okay? So this in particular, we have 3 rows right here with 3 coils, okay? This is your motor cover, okay? Motor cover is very important. It prevents the motors from rising when things are being dispensed. To take that off, you have a tab here and a tab here. Lift them up, pop it off, comes right off, okay? Here are your motors, okay? In this case, we have 3. These come up, they come down, you can slide them left, slide them right. Just always keep in mind that they're connected to each other. So you can't have too much separation between them, okay? But it's also very simple. To take a coil off, you must lift the motor and then pull it off. And the reason you have to do that is because when you drop it, it tightens in this area here so it can hold the coil. Okay, so once you have the coil, you take it, you lift, insert the nose, hold securely here, and then drop it, and it grabs it. And that's how you would change a coil, okay? I'm gonna go one step further here. I'm gonna show you how to change a plastic nose, okay? If you look carefully, you see this piece of plastic is inserted in between the doubled coil here, okay? You also have this piece of plastic that makes a sandwich, essentially, with another piece of metal, okay? So what you would do to take it out, you would push down and turn. Now that's freed it from the sandwich, is what I like to call it. From there, lift up, and then just pull it out of the double coil, okay? To put it back in is the exact opposite, okay? You slide that in through the double coil, push down, just get one of them to lock over the sandwich, and you're in, okay? To put it back in again, I'm gonna raise the motor up a little bit, insert the nose, squeeze it tight, push it down, and it's in there, okay? From there, motor cover, okay, these clips are what catch it, okay? So this is the right way. So keep a mental note of this, of the right way to put it on. You want to make sure the dividers fit inside these grooves. Slide it back, clip it in one side, lift, push it back. Good to go.